Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 58 from A exercises in James Stewart Calculus 8th edition. So now we are asked to solve for x, so basically solve this inequality, assuming that A, B, and C are positive constants. So basically positive numbers. It can be anything, but whatever they are, basically positive. That is very important when we're dealing with inequalities because we handle positives and negatives differently, especially when you have to multiply or divide. Let's look at what we have here. So there is our x, and all of these other variables are actually constants. So imagine them as positive numbers. So that's what the question is basically asking for. It can be a bit confusing because they're all basically letters, but they are numbers for now. So we're going to subtract c everywhere. So a minus c, and if you subtract c here, then you're going to just to have bx. You're going to subtract c here as well, so 2a minus c. Then next we're going to divide everything by b, so that we only have x in the middle. So the result is a minus c over b less equals x less 2a minus c over b. And we are done with this inequality. If we had actual numbers, these would reduce to a value. But right now, we're just told to assume that they're positive constants. And so this is perfectly fine if you have your answer like this.